Website builders are user-friendly tools that allow you to create websites without writing code. Here's how to get started. 1. Choose a website builder. Explore popular platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace. These platforms offer drag-and-drop interfaces and pre-built templates. Sign up for an account and choose a domain name, your website's address. 2. Design your website. Select a template that suits your needs, for example, business, blog, portfolio. Customize the layout, fonts, colors, and images. Add pages, for example, home, about, contact, and organize your content. 3. Add content. Write your website's text, upload images, and create engaging content. Include essential elements like headers, paragraphs, images, and buttons. 4. Test and publish. Preview your website to ensure everything looks good. Hit the publish button to make your site live. If you're curious about coding, here's how to create a website from scratch using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. 1. Learn the basics. HTML, hypertext markup language. It provides the structure of your web page, headings, paragraphs, links. CSS, cascading style sheets. Use it to style your website, colors, fonts, layout. JavaScript. Add interactivity, animations, forms, dynamic content. 2. Set up your environment. Choose a code editor, for example, Visual Studio Code or Sublime Text. Create a new folder for your project. 3. Write HTML. Open an HTML file in your code editor. Start with the basic structure. And a tip: add elements like headings, paragraphs, and images. 4. Create CSS styles. Link a CSS file to your HTML editor. Write CSS rules to style your elements. For example, H1, color, blue. 5. Combine HTML and CSS. In your HTML file, use classes or IDs to apply CSS styles to specific elements. Arrange your content using divs or other container elements. 6. Add JavaScript, it's optional. Create a separate JavaScript file, for example, script.js. Use JavaScript to add functionality, for example, form validation and interactive buttons. 7. Test your website. Locally. Open your HTML file in a web browser to see how it looks. Debug any issues you encounter. 8. Deploy your website. Choose a hosting service, for example, GitHub Pages, Netlify, or a web hosting provider. Upload your files, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, to the server. Remember, both approaches have pros and cons. Website builders are quick and easy, while coding from scratch gives you more control and valuable skills. Choose the path that aligns with your goals and enjoy creating your website.